Hello, today we are solving Jan 2023 Unit 2 question number 4. Healthwave PLC, a large pharmaceutical company, purchased a smaller pharmaceutical company. Okay, this is one of the companies, okay, Healthwave PLC, and it purchased a smaller pharmaceutical company called as Orion Pharma PLC. The statement of financial position of the Orion Pharma is given as below before any revaluations were done. Okay, after that they have said that the Healthwave PLC agreed to take over all the assets and all the liabilities of the Orion Mall Pharma PLC at the book value for the following exceptions. So now these are the revaluations they have given for the Orion Pharma PLC. Okay, then state one factor that would be considered when deciding upon the value to be agreed for each of the following asset. You must use a different factor for each asset. So now let's see this is the first question. Okay, so one factor that you will be using, okay, you can write certain factors. For example, the property. Okay, when you are taking a property, okay, when you are trying to take a property, what is the value of the asset you are going to consider? That is a question. Okay, you might use, okay, so the what is the value of the asset? Okay, what is the factor you will consider? First, probably you can consider a market value. You have to write only one. Okay, I'm going to give you a little two at least for them. You can write one of them. So market value, you might consider the rental income generated from the property. Okay, from property. So you are going to consider this factor when you are going to buy that asset. Okay, then motor vehicle, you might consider its depreciation value. Okay, you might consider its depreciation value. You might consider its mileage. Okay, mileage, how much has it been used? So that you might consider. So this is another thing you might okay, two things you need, you can say, or you can write one of them. Then inventory. Okay, when you are trying to buy an inventory, you will either, okay, try to decide on the factor as what type of inventory. Okay, or you will say the type of inventory. You might consider the factor you might see is it a raw, is it a finished, okay, good, like that. So you might consider the type of inventory, or you might also, for the inventory, or you might also consider the net present value of that inventory. What is the NPV? Okay, NPV, net present value of that inventory at which it is saleable. Okay, then trade receivables. For trade receivables, you will consider whether, okay, whether there is a possibility of irrecoverable debts, okay, from those people, from the debtors, or you will also check their credit worthiness. Okay, credit worthiness, whether they can pay back or not. Okay, so these are when you are trying to acquire the trade receivables of somebody else, you will check, okay, that one. Then patent. For the patent, I might see the factors such as what is its legal, okay, legal value, or the legal you can say whether it has a legal strength. Okay, whether it is meaningful, okay, that patent has some legal strength. Okay, or whether it has some competitive advantage. Okay, competitive advantage, or you can say the length of time, okay, it holds, length of time, the legal it is valid. So all this you can consider. Okay, when your factor, you will look at it when you are trying to acquire an asset from the